As we cover your health tonight, the number of people diagnosed with whooping cough is on the rise.
And here in Louisiana, cases have more than tripled so far this year. News 15's medical editor, Dr. John LaPree, breaks down the reasons behind this spike.
We're seeing a rise in whooping cough caused by the bacteria Bordetella Pertussis. This is a highly contagious upper respiratory illness. Already this year, the U.S. has about 16,000 cases, compared to about 4,000 in all of last year. Louisiana has seen 39 cases compared to 10 for 2023. For the first few weeks, symptoms are like any other upper respiratory illness. But after 1 to 2 weeks, this can progress to violent coughing fits lasting 6 weeks or more. Struggling to inhale against swollen airways gives the characteristic whooping sound. The best prevention is a pertussis vaccine. Let's look at the history to see why. In 1940, we saw over 200,000 cases. The first vaccine appeared in 1948, and by 1950, the rate dropped 60%. Antibiotics in 1953 dropped this rate even further. However, without boosters, this vaccine loses effectiveness over time. We saw a spike in 2005 and again in 2012. Then the pandemic hit. Universal upper respiratory precaution kicked in, dropping this rate again. Today, call it pandemic overload, but the lack of caution has led to a rise in upper respiratory illness. And we sit mid-year at 16,000 cases, levels last seen pre-pandemic and on par with 1960. So this rise in whooping cough stems from a lack of upper respiratory precaution and waning protection from the vaccine. This is a problem antibiotics alone can't solve. Wishing you better health, Dr. John LaPree, News 15.